Hey, today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change out your gas cap on your Honda or pretty much any motorcycle. So I bought one of those kits that has the seat lock, the ignition, and the gas cap all in one. It's like 30 bucks for the Honda. I want to say I bought one for Super Hawk, and it was 30 bucks as well. So these are pretty much exact OEM spec, um, and it's pretty good replacement. So first thing we're going to do is remove the 3 screws that hold the gas cap onto the bike. Um, Easy enough. Do this with your gas cap closed. You do not want to drop one of these hex head bolts down into your gas tank. You will be an unhappy rider if you do that. Once you have the 3 screws removed, the old gas cap pops right off. And like I said, when I bought this bike, it only had 1 key, and the key was absolutely wrong, and it had the same kit that I'm installing now installed on it. So I'm just going to replace all that with a new $30 kit and call it good. So while you have your gas cap off, this is a good time to clean out all the gunk that's inside there. This is one of those things most riders neglect to do. Me personally, I hate looking down into my gas cap when I'm filling up at the gas station and seeing a lot of crud down in my tank. So I know it's not exactly the tank, it's kind of like the overflow where all the gas spills out and then dumps onto the ground. But still, when you're pumping gas and you look down and that's all dirty, it's just nasty to me. So easy enough. Put your seal back on around the ring of the gas tank, and then your new gas cap will fit right on top of it, and you want to line it up with those 3 holes. This kit also comes with the 3 screws you need to tighten it down. For right now, since I have the gas tank cover off of the bike, I'm going to go ahead and mount these 3 screws. Once I get the bike assembled 100%, then I'll come back. Each bike that I do when I build for myself, I have these, I guess on eBay they're called like a camera mount that mounts to the screw holes on top of the gas tank. I use it to hook my radar detector onto, and I may or may not show you that later on. I doubt I will. But anyway, this is how easy it is to replace your gas cap on a Honda or pretty much any modern motorcycle. And it's fairly cheap. 30 bucks for 3 locks and 2 keys. And they fit perfectly on your motorcycle if you buy the kit that's designed for your bike. Thanks for watching. Come back and watch some more of my videos, please.